How to fix TikTok cannot pin video on profile. So first of all, simply open your application and go to your profile section. Now in order to pin, you must have uploaded some videos on your profile. Then only when you tap on the video on the three dots, that is share menu at the bottom right, and you can see the select pin option. However, you can only pin up to 3 videos at a time, and if you already have 3, the option to pin a new one will either be missing or you'll get an error message. So to fix this, simply go to one of your currently pinned videos, tap the 3 dots and select unpin, then try pinning your new video. If this doesn't work, you can simply close the application, long press on your application, tap on the app info, and go to the storage section and try clearing cache by pressing on clear cache. Simply close the application and also check if any update is available by going on to the Play Store, tapping on the search menu and searching for the application TikTok. Hit search, tap on the profile, and if any update is available, simply press on the update. That will be shown instead of open. If it means open, that means you already have the updated version. And for future reference, you can always tap on the enable auto update right over here. And that's it guys. In this way you'll be able to easily fix TikTok cannot pin video problem on your profile. Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.